If you see my girl, she got brows and edges. Brows and edges. When you see my bitch, she got brows and edges. Brows and edges. If you see my girl, she got brows and edges.
Pilolo, pilolo, give me the pilolo. Spread your leg like a wheelbarrow. Pilolo, give me the pilolo. Wonderful pilolo, and spread your leg like a wheelbarrow. Ajay.
But hey, watch this. It's a twist. Did you see that? It's a twist, but check this. Oh my. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, you're coming to see this. Okay, wait a minute. Wait some minute. Let me give you a 360. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. I'm so in love. Did you see what I do? Did you see what I did? The colors, how I mix them, like okay girls, I love this part. I don't know why, but I love this part. Like, hey, it's so cute. This hair, this crochet hair is from SILIKE hair in AliExpress, in Amazon too. Okay, did you see the pamphlet? Don't forget SILIKE hair. Okay, and yeah, they sent me 10 packs, 5 packs in color 1B, 2 packs in color burgundy, 1 in 27 and 1 in 30, color 30. Okay, as you can see, I put all of them. Yeah, I put all of them. Why? I don't know. That's so crazy. You don't need 10 packs. You don't need it. You only need, if you have a big head, you need only 8 pack. But if you have a small head like me, you need like six packs and a half. But if you are like me, put all the 10 packs on it. Okay. See that glow. Put all the 10 packs. Okay, I lay my edges with my, where is it? My got to be gel. Okay. I love it. Look, what is it? It's super cute and I love it. And only reminds me this three strand of this here. Did you see this? The only three. Did you see? Oh, it's super cute. I love it. And they send me the lash hook, and it's cute. Oh my god, one fall down. They send me these beads, but I'm not going to put it. And this cute, I think it's rubber band. This is new rubber band, but hey, I'm going to put it in my hand. Okay, yellow valgo. So that is all. My lashes, they're from colorcl.com. This is the dramatic lashes. This is the name of this one is DF04. I'm going to put everything down below. You're going to have discount code for the lashes, and I'm going to wear my contact lenses right now.
Beats.